Hey folks, Mr. Modern Survival here, just sitting at the kitchen table today drinking a good stout cup of coffee as usual. Got some things finished up this morning and some obligations taken care of, and decided I'd play a little bit with some Magpul PMags. Now let me say a little bit about Magpul. I'm a big fan of Magpul. They make great stuff. In fact, I'm a huge fan of Magpul. I've not found anything that Magpul has that I don't like. They make great stuff. It's quality stuff, made in the U.S. Quality materials, good shipping, fits nice, all that good stuff. And so I'm not so much interested in comparing any Magpul products, but because I think they're great, there's not really much comparison. But I'm also a fan of grip tape, and if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I am a big fan of do-it-yourself improvements or enhancements. I won't say improvements because you can't improve on something that works great, but an enhancement, I think, is what it is. I also have the do-it-yourself Glock grips, much like those that Talon puts out. You can get those Talon grips. See, they're on both sides. That's a do-it-yourself project using using only some ingenuity, some cheap skateboard or grip tape, a razor blade, ink pen or pencil, whichever you prefer, and of course some type of old cutting board to cut the grip tape on. PMags are great. PMags are really good. They're lightweight. They're made out of polymer. These are 30 rounders for 5.56 by 4.5 AR-15 M4 whatever M16, and so these work really. The only thing about it is, you know, it's not a problem. It's just they're slick on the sides, and so me being a fan of grip tape, I thought, well, what can we do to to sharpen up the edges on the side, make that thing a little more ergonomically grippy. There you go. There's your phrase, ergonomically grippy. And so what I've done is just taken strips of grip tape, cut it out in this peculiar little non-square, and stuck them right on there. And what that does is gives you, as you grip the magazine in the way that you're supposed to, it gives you a lot more pull, up and down, push pull, I guess it would be. If you're pulling the magazine out of the weapon, or if you're pushing the magazine into the weapon, it gives you a little more grip. Also, a lot of times when I'm shooting, I do not buckle my magazines into my mag pouch on my tack vest. I leave the buckles tucked down in beside the magazine or outside of the magazine, because I want to be able to reach and grab a magazine without having to unbuckle the straps on my mag pouch. The problem with that is if you're running or doing any kind of real hardcore obstacle course type shooting, or a run and gun or something like that, you have the chance that these slick magazines, which are heavy, will come bouncing out of there. This grip tape alleviates that problem. It actually grips to the fabric on the inside of the mag pouch. So, you know, there's a win-win situation, I think. Plus, it looks cool. I think it looks great. If you have an M4 or an AR-15 that's not black like mine, that's two-tone, then it's going to give it this kind of a look. My rifle is already a two-tone style, so I've got black parts on it, the rest of it's dark earth, and so that grip tape, I think, gives it a cool look. So how do you do it? Well, it's very stupid simple. You're going to want to cut out some kind of a pattern, and what I did basically was take the magazine, I laid a piece of paper on the magazine, I took an ink pen or a pencil and shaded that area down in the depressions. If you notice, PMags have these depressions here. I shaded that area, cut it out. I then laid it onto a piece of grip tape, traced around that with the pencil again, cut that first one out, and then after you cut the first one out, you have this handy little template that you can do the rest. As you can tell by looking at my handy little template, it's not a perfect square, but the ones on the PMags is not a perfect square either, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's for grip. I mean, it looks cool, I think, but at the same time, it's not for looks. It's there for function. So Just showing you a little bit of what I'm doing, having fun. I know it's been a while since I put a video on. We actually we went out and shot. We went out and wasted. Well, I won't say wasted. We blew through some ammo last week. I got my new rifle, my AR build finished, and going to do a video on that. We got out there. I had some camera issues and was not able to film the shooting video, and I apologize for that. And so I just wanted to come on today and make this quick video and show you a neat little trick, grip tape. There's no telling what you might find around my house that has grip tape on it. Grip tape's awesome. Skateboard tape is awesome. It gives you a much needed grip if your hands were to ever get wet with sweat or blood or, God forbid, any other strange foreign substance. Then you're still going to be able to get a hold of this magazine, and it's going to retain inside your mag pouch. And so I think it's a great idea. Try it on one of your mags and see if you like it, especially the P mags, because they already have these little contours on them. I haven't put it. I've got some metal mags, some surplus metal mags, and some Brownells metal mags. I've not tried it on those because, as you know, most of those have the vertical contour depressions on those, so I don't know how it's going to work with those. Probably won't do those just because I don't use those a lot. They're pretty much just to have, but I use the P mags a lot, so I think it looks cool. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Keep prepping. God bless.